How to fix Bluetooth not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down, click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. Now enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. To restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.